Hello and welcome to Format a Header in Microsoft Word. This video is part of the Tacoma Community College Library's Technology How Do I series. In this one, I'll cover a few important skills for formatting a header in Microsoft Word, which will ultimately help you properly format an academic paper. I'll show you how to add a page number, add a title to your header, align the text in your header, and save your Word document to a place where you'll easily find it again. In my last video, Format Text in Microsoft Word, I covered changing the font, font size, and spacing of text. When you create a header, you often need to change the font and font size again so that it's uniform with the rest of your paper. So those are important skills to have. The first thing we'll do is add page numbers to our document. Go up to the Insert tab at the top left corner of your screen. When you click on this, all of the menu options here change. Look for a column toward the right of your screen called Header and Footer, which is right here. Then find the page number icon, which I'm highlighting here. When you click on that, a drop-down menu appears. Now, APA and MLA prefer that your page numbers appear at the top right corner of your document. So scroll over to where it says top of page here, and then select plain number 3, which shows a little number in the top right corner. When you click on this, you'll notice that a page number has been added to the top of your document, and a dotted line has appeared across the top of your document here. This line will not be permanent, but it's there to show you that you are now able to edit your header. A good trick for quickly editing a header is to simply double-click in this top portion of the document. For instance, if I double-click down here, the header line will go away, but the page number will remain. You might find that the text in your header appears to be a lighter shade than the text in the rest of your document. Don't worry, it appears this way within Word to show you that this text is part of the header. When you print your document, it will appear the same way that the rest of your text in your document appears. Now, if I want to go back to editing my header, rather than having to go back to the Insert tab, I can just double-click up here, and now I can edit the whole header again. The header is one of the places in your paper where the differences between the MLA rules and the APA rules show most clearly. MLA simply asks that you have your page number at the top right, and your last name should appear right next to your page number. Doing that is simple. You should see that the cursor is already blinking to the left of your page number. If it isn't, just click on the left side of the number and you'll see it. Now, type your last name and hit the space bar, and this is what an MLA style header should look like. APA, on the other hand, asks for just the page number in the top right with no name next to it, so I'll get rid of that. And the paper's title should be in all caps on the left side of the header. Things get a little trickier here. What I do is insert the page number on the right first, just as I've done. Then I'll position my cursor right before the number by clicking just to its left here. And I'll hit the backspace key twice. You'll notice that this moves the page number first to the center of the header, then to the left. Now that I'm on the left side, I'll type in my title in all caps, like so. And I'll hit space. And now, to move my page number and just my page number back to the right corner of the screen, I have to hit the Tab key on my keyboard twice. When I hit it the first time, it goes to the center, and the second time, it moves all the way to the right. Now I have a proper APA style header with the title in all caps here and the page number here. Our final step, and a step you should take anytime you make a change to your document, is to save it. As I've shown in my previous videos, the easiest way to save is by using this quick save icon in the top left corner of your screen. Get in the habit of hitting that button whenever you make major changes to avoid losing your work. That's it for Format a Header in Word. View our other Technology How Do I series videos to finish the process of formatting an academic paper and to gain other important technology-related skills that you will use at TCC. As always, if you ever get stuck, just come by the TCC Library's reference desk or call us. Our reference specialist is there to help you with all of your technology-related needs.